Hi, I'm Alison Wahlen, and I am so excited to be teaching a class here at Authorized Vac and Sew. I started sewing when I was in about 5th grade. I started sewing clothes, and then when I had daughters, I made all their little matching dresses, and they of course hated it, but I thought they were so cute. And I started quilting probably about 10 years ago, and joined a quilting guild in Visalia, and have just had so much fun quilting with the whole community. And I've decided that I really enjoy teaching and just want to spread the knowledge and have some fun with some fabric. So we are going to be doing a class called the Cathedral Windows quilt. And here's a sample of the Cathedral Windows. It's so intricate with all of the different colors and patterns and the curved edges, which is something you don't see in a lot of quilts. And what's really fun about this is it's not as hard as it looks. It looks a lot more complicated. You start out with 4-inch squares of your background, 4-inch squares of your frame, and most people like to use black. I've had some people use white, and it's a really neat effect as well. And also 4-inch squares of your focus fabric. I like to use bright, pretty batiks, but this can be done in any sort of a fabric. So while this looks like a super complicated pattern, you think you might have to be an advanced student? No. It's actually more of an intermediate pattern, but anybody's welcome to take the class, and it's a lot of fun. Hope to see you there.